Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. Thank you very much for your question, Terry. And your question is, I have a client who wants a polished concrete floor, but we do not have the height. Is there a latex we could polish? Latex Screed isn't designed to be a final finish. It's really just something there that's smoothing out, ready for other floor coverings to go on top. So if you're just looking to you can only increase the height by a few mil, then what you really need is a micro cement. So just a micro cement can go down to around 3 millimeters. And once you've got the micro cement down, you can then polish. So, which will then give you that polished concrete look. So you can get it in different colors. You can actually get it so it's pigmented in different ways. So you can get different appearances with it. So providing that the substrate is clean, it's tidy. You've got to watch if there's any cracks or joints, etc., because those cracks may mirror into the micro cement. So it really needs to be bonded well. So the micro cement will rely on 100% on the bond between the concrete substrate and the micro cement. Once the micro cement's down, you can then polish the surface to give you that kind of high gloss finish. You can add sealants also to it as well, which can be from a practical point of view, but also can give it a different texture to the surface. So I hope that helps. Any other queries, please let me know and we'd be delighted to help out.